We're not going to put out an award-winning video piece of marketing every day. We might get lucky and a couple of things hit really well over the course of a year. It's about just every single day. If you follow me on Facebook, every single day around 7 a.m. Eastern, I put out a post. Sometimes I get good engagement, sometimes they don't. Doesn't matter. I show up every day, and then you know what? I come to conferences like this, and people come up to me and say, "Man, I love your post every day. I love your content." And I'm like, no, I'm thinking to myself, no offense, but I don't know who you are. I've never seen you interact with my content. I've never seen you like it, comment, share it, whatever. And that's completely fine. But that just proves and supports the idea that most people are not going to engage, right? So don't get discouraged if people are not engaging with your content, right? People are seeing that. They're storing it away for when it's going to be useful to them. Think about it as far as planting seeds every day, even in the winter. Plant those seeds. Your job right now is to get people in your market to know who you are and to get them to see your brand over and over and over again throughout the course of 2022, right?